Drop by.
I know.
Just to have fun with us today.
I know. And she's a wild one.
I know!
Right?
Flo Rida, featuring Sia.
Very nice. Okay, so we've got... Okay, again...
Wild but very nice.
Oo naman. No, I mean like
Never mind.
do not tempt her with a statement because she will
Oh yeah. Yeah.
jump on it and...
Actually, Joel was saying, Gino, you better deliver on a date with Francine. I'm rooting for you.
Marami nagpapatanong pala ha sa akin kung kamusta na rin love life ni Gino. Tsaka gusto ko rin talaga yung sex life ni Gino.
Namumula.
Ngayon ako nakakita ng namula at namutla ng sabay.
Gino pala yun.
First time.
Love life muna, love life.
Love life daw muna.
Love life muna.
What about
Are you seeing anyone?
wala kayong kwenta rin ako! Wala kayong kwenta ko!
Bakit hindi ka makatingin kay Francine?
Teka, bakit sa akin ka nakatingin?
Hindi ba hiyain?
Very shy type, ah.
Mahihain ka sa anong mga situation? Kasi usually hindi ka naman mahihain.
Hindi naman eh.
Medyo kapal mo ka kami.
Nice na din noon.
But,
Friendship over.
when are you
When
quiet?
Sia and Lim was here,
Hindi ka shy.
hindi ka shy.
Oli
When
Pettigrew
Oli
was here.
Pettigrew was here,
Hindi
hindi
ka
ka
shy.
shy. Ba't ka shy ngayon?
Oo.
I got outside with the...
Hindi talaga siya makatingin
Tsaka hindi naman masagot eh.
I'm
Sige, ano
looking.
na type mo sa isang girl?
Ayun.
Ano nga ba type mo?
Anong type mo sa girl?
Anong type mo sa girl?
Twitter.
Ako sa bulones.
Makipainit.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Teka lang.
Napaypayan ka namin.
Initan.
Sumagot ka lang.
Look, Miss Francis
Yeah, is asking you.
I know, okay. What did we talk about? Someone like...
Are you seeing?
Oo nga. Ang dami ko talaga di mo sinasagot.
Wala! Deliver!
Tayo kaya dito.
Sige.
I'm dating someone.
Status.
Name drop.
Yeah.
Sex life. Ang agaw sa Wednesday.
Bawal kami.
Bawal ang meat.
So, makancel ko yung date ko later.
Si Francis naman tanungin natin.
Actually, okay rin ginas niyo kasi i-announce ko. Sa ano? Bali niyo pa sa rito yung resume niyo. NBI clearance.
So if you're applying...
Yeah, if you're applying to be
Medical
my
records.
boyfriend. Wow, medical records. Siguro di mo na kay STD. And ayoko na ng kuripot. You know why? Because everyone's thinking, who was the last guy she dated?
Now everybody wants to find out.
Oh my gosh.
Grabe.
Ay.
Di ba ko sa alalay? Ordinaryong mamamayan.
Oh!
Hindi, ayoko talaga ng same ng ginagawa.
Kuya Maui.
Ayun.
Yeah, but, I mean, meron ako.
Wait, what's your type? What's your type?
Yeah.
Actually, lagi ko naman sinasabi, hindi naman kailangan gwapo, pero ayoko rin ng pangit. Tapos naman sa kanya, kawawa naman yung anak ko, pero okay lang, pasok sa kanila science, di ba?
Diba, I mean, what girl would say, ay, ang type ko yung pangit.
Oh, yun, baka may iba ganun. Gusto nila dilimgenic, di ba? Photogenic, gwapo lang pag may auto.
She's not plugging anything. But this show is a hit.
Gusto ko yun. Ayoko na may abs din. Alam mo yung mukha may abs. Ayoko naman sobrang mataba. Sorry sa mga...
Bumusina ka naman.
A lot of people are texting. It's like, what is she on?
What is she on?
Whatever it is that you're having, I want some of it too.
Well, talo pa natin ang The Buzz today.
And of course, importante may future. Wow.
So no aesthetic,
Like physical.
personal.
Tsaka syempre gusto ko mabango yung guy. Kahit na mukha siyang mabaho. Di ba baka mamaya rakista siya? Ayos lang, basta mabango, gano'n. Ayoko nung amoy, alam mo yun, amoy toolbox.
Bagoy na.
Minsan driver ko, ano ba, lagian mo ng ano, kasi ayoko na may toolbox. Kasi may mga lalaki, minsan gano'n may
O
toolbox.
kaya may mongol pencil. May kahoy.
It's a natural process.
Yes. Sabi nila may kahoy.
Oh, okay.
Pamili ko kasi magandang ngipin, ah. Si Gina magandang ngipin.
Funny thing is when she said that, bigla ako nagtakip ng bibig.
Kaya,
Bigla ako
hindi kaya yung perfect kasi pustiso.
Hindi ka masasaktan. Uy.
Hindi, kasi hindi kanya i-break.
Ganun lang.
Sino?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so everyone's asking, can you post a picture? Jelly is tuned in.
Yes, yes.
She's asking if you could post a picture of you and Francine. We already took pictures.
Yes, we did.
So we're gonna post it on your Twitter.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Yeah.
Gino Boy is so different
I
today.
know. Francine is not like this.
Sobra.
I
As in,
swear.
Francine, ang kulit,
Hindi
ang
kasi
gulo.
sabi hindi ata siya papasok today. Sabi ko, sige ako yung nurse mo. Lagi naman gusto mouth to mouth resurrection.
Hindi kasi ano, sabi niya, ayaw daw niya, ang gusto niya, para bumaba yung fever, sponge bath.
Ano ka bata?
Kasi bata, kasize lang. Kasi nung huling nagkasakit siya, ako nag-sponge bath.
We got a live one.
I know. Nice. Okay, so... Ano yun? Ano
Tuloy ang interview.